What would you do if the gods condemned you to a life of endless toil, forever trapped in a cycle of futility? Meet Sisyphus, the cunning king of Corinth, who thought he could outsmart death itself. When Hades came to claim him, Sisyphus tricked the god, binding him to a chair, thus escaping his fate. But the gods were not amused. Once freed, Hades ensured Sisyphus would pay dearly for his hubris. His punishment, an eternal task, to roll a massive boulder up a steep hill, only to watch it roll back down each time he neared the summit. Imagine the weight of that stone, the ache of his muscles, and the crushing reality of his fate. Each day he would strain against a rock, yearning for freedom, yet forever thwarted. This relentless cycle reflected not just a punishment, but a profound commentary on the human condition. Sisyphus became a symbol of resilience and defiance, teaching us that the struggle itself can be meaningful, even when the outcome seems grim. In his toil, he reminds us of our own battles against the absurdities of life, revealing something deeply human in our persistent quest for purpose.